What's up, YouTube? This guy is Zanrith, and this is quiet boiler. We're working here. It's firing up. This is the workshop of doom as it is right now. Doing some woodworking in the basement, working on our house. I'm cutting some stuff down here. Had to have a little area. What did I say? Okay, it fired. Boiler's going because it's winter out. I don't know if you can see the white through the glass block there. But I've got this Chicago Electric, I think it's Harbor Freight, right? It's a Harbor Freight brand. Miter saw that my father-in-law let me borrow. And it's seen some better days. But we're going to fix it up a little bit and work on stuff. Currently trying to cut lumber. It's burning through. This blade's got some rust on it. It's pretty garbage, in my opinion, this blade. It's at the end of its life. So I bought a new Diablo 60 tooth. This is a 48 tooth blade. I got a 60 because it's supposed to be a finer cut. We're gonna see how it works. I don't really know too much. I went with something that I know Diablo is supposed to be a decent brand. We're with that. So we're gonna change the blade out. That's the whole mission for today. So first, obviously, make sure you're unplugged, which follow power cord, completely unplugged. Problem solved. Second, I don't know how to lock this back, so we're just going to hold it up. We're going to press this in. We're going to use one hand to do that. This should lock the blade in place. Easy enough. I'm going to use a crescent wrench here, adjustable, because I don't have a set on me. And we're going to go get it on here. And we're going to go righty-loosey, because it's left-hand threaded. And there we go. I loosened it a little bit earlier, just to make sure I had the right thing. We good to go. Loosen that guy up. And we are SOL. We cannot get this off without taking something else off. Okay, what has to come off here? These two, this bolt and that bolt. Take the metal plate off. I saw a guy online do this, and he was able to get it off without this problem. Apparently, I'm going to have this problem. And this may not be the original bolt too. Who knows? Just gonna see if we can just unsnug this just a touch. Nah, we're not gonna do that. So, for my beautiful usage here, I'm gonna need a Phillips head to take off a couple other bolts, or at least one, actually. It might be that's all that's needed is this, and it flips up and out of the way. So I'm gonna go grab, because I don't think I have any of them down here, they're all upstairs. Go grab a Phillips, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Yay, easy, done. I'm gonna just take this bolt out, hopefully. There we go. I'm hoping that we can just loosen this up, and it will. Nope, it's gonna have to come out more. Darn it. It's almost like it's a blade retention bolt. There we go. Easy, ready, loosey. Done. So this is the old blade. Yeah, it's seen better days. Got another 10-inch with a 5/8 inch, I don't know, hole in the middle. Arbor, 5-inch, there you go, or 5/8 inch. Good to go. And then just reverse order. Make sure it's in there tight. Alright, this is locking. Perfect. This is lefty tighty. Glad I looked that up, or I'd be trying to figure out why I'm snapping bolts off. Online I saw another saw just like this that looked like it was an Allen key, not a hex head. So just keep in mind this may not be the right tool for your usage. I'm going to tighten this up nice and snug. I don't know if there's a torque spec. I don't have a repair manual for this. Just gonna make sure it's nice and tight because we do not want that coming loose. We also don't want to snap it. Looks good to me. Bring this guard back down if I can. Gonna loosen this one up just a little if I can. There you go. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that should have done that to start with. Put our bolt back in. Tighten these up. Should be good to go. Let's give it a free spin. Plug it in up here. Make sure it doesn't shatter or fall apart. Being a perfectionist that I am, I'm watching the edge of the blade to make sure it's balanced. It's not wobbling in there. So yeah, now we should be avoiding making any cuts that have burn marks in them like that. I don't have anything to cut at this minute, and I don't want to start just chopping up stuff for posterity reasons. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think of this blade later. Should be a good blade, better than what I had. So yeah, the only thing left to do to this saw is there's no dust catcher on the back of this anymore, and it's dirty because of that as well, because it'll shoot dust right out. So I want to get some kind of, there's a bag that's supposed to be on it that's not here. Maybe get that dust collector, or just get a pipe that goes over to somewhere else that it's not collecting dust in here. I have the shop vac. Oh, I had the shop vac down here. Must be back upstairs. And I bet you I could get an adapter that would fit here to the shop vac and just suck it out. But haven't done that yet. Haven't been using this that much. But we're going to get there. So I've been Zan. This has been the Chicago Electric 10-inch. 10-inch? Yeah, 10-inch. 10-inch blade replacement. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Everyone have a great one. I'm out. Peace.